This is how to fix Elden Ring Nightreign Stuttering issue, so make sure to follow my steps and methods in order to fix your problem. First of all, you should go to the search and then type in settings. After that, you'll be redirected to the home page, so you need to go to Windows Update, bottom left corner, and you need to check for the latest available updates that is possibly responsible for the issue that you're facing. So download any pending updates and select retry for any failed updates. If you do have stuck updates, select update history, deselect the first two options, and you can just scroll down and see uninstall updates or recovery options. See, both of them works. Now you need to go to the Windows taskbar and click on this show hidden icons. You will find the Steam icon running, so right click on it and select exit Steam. Next, go to the search and type in device manager. You need to open that. Now from here you need to scroll down, go to processors, and then select any one, right click and select update driver. Now select search automatically for drivers. After that, click on close. Now you need to go to display adapters and then select your graphics card appearing, either NVIDIA or AMD. Right click on it and select update driver. Do the same thing. After that, click close. Now go to the Windows taskbar, right click and select task manager. Now this will open, so you need to ensure that you don't have the Steam launcher running in the background anymore. So go to the search and type in Steam. If you still, you need to select it, right click and select end task in order to terminate it. Now deselect the search. I want you to focus on these two sections, which is the CPU and memory. Keep them below 100%, and the lower you keep them, the better you get. So scroll through all of these processes and applications. I want you to see if you do have any suspicious or unwanted useless one that possibly taking too much of the usages, like the gaming services. Right click, select and task. I want you to do that as possible as you can until you are satisfied with the numbers. Now go to the search and type in NVIDIA, select NVIDIA app, go to drivers at the left menu. After that, make sure to update your graphics card driver by selecting the download and install button and follow up with the installation process. That's it. If you follow these methods, hopefully the stuttering issues will be gone. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.